Okatakyie ya jo mama ba wanya adwuma da. Otimi nya ska organize a boxing match ma Anthony Joshua mu nyina ba. Manfo ne body so hwehwe. Wonya sika no wai.
Sheriff etua nipa ba ku bia 24 million pounds.
Oba Sheriff no Mahama John Mahama pa Mahama dum se adwuma ba no oye.
Until comedian is a Kevin the Taylor or trend, His Excellency John Mahama air trend, Ibrahim Mahama so air trend, Anafi Mahama Eba, Sharaf Mahama so air trend, for Saturday no program change Mahama ba Sharaf. Organize a kickboxing contest. Is or Tone Sakura Fred, American boxer Joshua Anthony, and the Pakistan boxer Abdul Khan. Question Ghana for Ebuzan say Mahama Bay. Sikano ewa nefa on that issue no Okatakyie influencers any TikTokers will pin more fire on Kevin Taylor, John Mahama, Ibrahim Mahama, and Sharaf Mahama. I Penyah block media. Best was any day. Over like video no other room. Over subscribe to make click notification for the latest updates. Now better the wife and the mama ever comment section. That's baswa. No she video more from any be ashe. It is Saturday no. Anna Mahama eba Sharaf Mahama. What I say the gentle guy no Sharaf Mahama. Organizing program, changing the power Ghana. How is program that calls a book boxing arena? It was a kickboxing contest. As the Otonzakura Fred, the American boxer Anthony Joshua, and no, because Otonza Fred, Pakistan kickboxer be I found Abdul Khan, Obakaya, or no, and a both Philadelphia boxer.
Okatakyie, that's the power is about.
Abdul Khan as a baby as a program no now my history kakra Obekaya in 2023 ana Ayɛka by Jankroma Edwin ebi a restaurant ana to the Insumunam restaurant obi ya out of nowhere ana Kevin Taylor ede lady veteran show so Ayɛka no Jankroma ebi Insumunam restaurant no Kevin Taylor be dinner tem
Edwin say Edwina, right? Okay, Edwina Ekufuado Benny. Now, overnight, we be a restaurant, be a friend in Sumunam. Somewhere, Jimmy, the youth of Ghana, you are foolish. Jimmy, they will use you to build their kids. they will use you people mu Jimmy no ye the MPP for Asante Kumasi ne yete Bantama ne ofui una ofin se otwe Akufo-Addo ba no we be $6 million restaurant mumusa mo say mo amugura santime mu a mo de MPP atwa mo furuma no wan na nebusua dan nebusua fie mo $100,000 da ehia fo ma mo de mo Jimmy ne mo kwase abema nkofo bi anya sika na omu wi a oma ne egumo so ewura mo ahemfie aka se eho nyina tan sa na man bia mo adwuma nipa beye mo into the young people in Ghana today omu de Akufo-Addo echi we mu na mu di musika no we mu na mo chem so mo Jimmy Akufo-Addo ba dia o na busa ho se Akufo-Addo anka se na wo da ho Akufo-Addo ba baako a restaurant is $6 million na Akufo-Addo nankasa gabi asochedako kenforiata mo Jimmy o ye ka kire mo a mo se Kevin mpe Akufo-Addo asem mo bedi hia saa because mo Jimmy party taramakoma ho instead se mo adwene be ye dwuma no Edwina restaurant no ye fa nsuom nam seafood and fish restaurant ultimi we fish etumi kasa etumi wo minim fish papa kasa enim me kire mu inti Akufo-Addo ban restaurant ni $6 million I uko insider ehun efom efe chen wo MPP ni na Jimmy o ti be kwa se me MPP communicator mewu am Akufo-Addo kwasia eye Akufo-Addo ba restaurant efom wo kra efe chen wan kasa wo dem a wo da wenim efe chen wenim ofui mumu se Akufo-Addo ba Edwina se juma ben wa ye wa asasi so a wenya $6 million mo ye calculation no eye 84 billion yes I o de bagana skema 84 billion eno eni sika saa ba yiwa we na monkwasiafo am di MPP echi monkwasiafo am di MPP say ye MPP youth MPP motete toada ehiafo mo hu fin mo ni baby mpoda mo bedi di eni atam mo mu Jimmy ende ne ban restaurant no kwasiafo mo ntumi mpo nkoho menu no 40 Ghana 50 Ghana 700 Ghana 800 Ghana Jimmy obetuma go di wo ho wo taxes awutia no Akufo-Addo mba no omunya sika se tem cause ye ne di MPP che ye moa Ghana youth no ye Jimmy wait light up me be cheche mumu bia kan an Akufo-Addo we are open obusema eno no your friend saying eye insomnam and seafood restaurant no eno no we are open insomnam seafood restaurant oh mama hwe menu no na memkbo bi so nkire mo Jimmy for Ghana youth mo Jimmy dodo ebi mo Jimmy 80% mo Jimmy and politicians use mo no insomnam seafood and fish no kwa tamba kwa oh na video bi wo me pese membo video no ai insomnam Akufo-Addo restaurant ne ba o Akufo-Addo ba now
the dinner time bi ka Akufo-Addo ne MPP fo nyina sebe asante fo nyina bi ka o odi wo matem ese Akufo-Addo ba no omo obere bia onye adwuma ba bia eyede no nyesika in 2025 we are Mahama ba Sharaf organize a kickboxing program as a Otons Afre American boxer Anthony Joshua any other foreign boxers able buy question ya Ghana for any Okatakyie FIFA mensa ebusa Mahama ne say oba Sharaf Mahama no onye adwuma biada enti sika no the program no onya ne henefa
Ghana 4 quick one fast forward as I'm changing Aba our Mahama the president Neba Sharif Mahama over the weekend Bukom Arena we inviting Krofobi Efie Amanone Edwomu ba Ghana ha so momra meko ekutrukubo anasa boxing na numu na Sharif etie nipa ba ku bia 24 million pounds 24 million pounds again want 24 million pounds ne papa administration ebu oman ye did dumso levy ababeto ye so oman ye tim no na ye kukuru sasika twidiri we ade ama abranti mibisa Kofi Adams oye minister of sports owehifa Kofi Adams na enipa ehye eye kutukuboye echi no edenti ena sa dwumadie we eba so indeed ye nyina ye sports but also let's also think about oman no ye wo sikatitiri di we e de sponsor enipa be 5 ye do omo ba Ghana ha so omo mra medi sa adwuma no a apart from numtofo boxers ayeyi look the money is not small it's big choppable money The NDC is stopping our money. And Edema Sheriff Mahama Son Fankoye program no. Oh, Buko Marina, Brabe She, Esaweni, slave queens. Yera Ibrahim Mahama was there. Now, Ushe slave queens are not one more body akola esuko nume so. One more yani tentrente. Yodium, I was Buko Marina. Ne eya sefem. Na mi bisa. Se busum nsiani. Yetimi kukuru sa esika. Twitwiri diwe edema akola aketuwa esuko numawe. So Fanko organize a boxing. Now say a fruit say yes indeed. All is well. Then no matter where are we heading towards to? Let's also forget. So at this critical moment, the Ministry of Education on fire and our budget to cry a comma STEM schools, Tibet, any the free essay test and cry you and Korana class uncle exam September. The JHS and college exams ya Yamiya Duma. In fact, your mama trade budget allocation. But I should call Numawi. Your man is catching the way say. On Panko this edumano. Na maybe so. You rock a kufuado mreso. Neba. Nisika or Edikosi. Health Center. Oh, Kumasi. Edema Ghana and yes say the property or the see Ghana for Munti and Pasasama Mokache Kufuado. No, me be so. You were another planet behind this if one to Swana. Now see Nisa another planet and Nasi and Munyan at Tidia. Now Sabi a Ghana and Central for Sabi Mabon. Ghana Central for Mabon and Yeme Kosui. Saman Kwanko Shishman Fa. And what findings am I to jar? Me say, you best shoot your gumoso papa. The sports activists and I say, Muamuye sports won't numedie no. Kupia Salbraco, Danko Kuye Boa. And those guys, Mr. Ramo, Monkoye investigation, emphasize you media course no. Namu first guy told Jamra Metro because if you remember, Ban say. Dream ni katase se akoso akola esukonoma we ena mode ba bedi yesu 4 years
Kelvin Taylor any intro etise ba fine any form ebusuya yente video yimbra area yebedi nkomo
ba dia o na busa ho se Kufuado ankasa se na wo da ho Kufuado baba ko a restaurant is $6 million na Kufuado nankasa gabi asochida ko kenuforiata mo jimi o ye ka kire mo a mo se Kevin mpe Kufuado asem mo bedi hia saa because mo jimi party taramakoma ho instead se mo adwini be ye dwuma no edwina restaurant no ye fa ni nsu.
All right ebusuafo, whoever believe in Kelvin Taylor ojini dibia no wo sa ne pa no wadwen wo fom se wo gidi say Kelvin Taylor be ka kire wo say Kufuado ba $6 million. I would buy in the Ghana Second now. 61,800,000 Ghana cedis. Titisicano 610 billion Ghana cedis. EDC just a restaurant. Now was an panu GD abra one chilo snakes for and crab tie sampa. Sa restaurant no cost $6 million and I say 610 billion Ghana cedis old currency now. Now GD and now what from. Ask yourself, say the most expensive restaurant in Ghana, ni boy saying. Odi watching a cosnet or watching a man the cosnet office. Now say, o person who the most expensive restaurant in Ghana, the price o person want to cosnet na kubusa. Say it drew even $1 million. But omo be plan the basement, the kitchen. It can't touch the but omo wa dreaming near you don't reason. Ghana Hanum, Mr. Ghana Hanum, prove to me a restaurant in Ghana here if it costing even $2 million. Ghana, a restaurant. Sometimes you people should reason. Remember being trying to so be can't say for what draining here to ma. Busa say the most expensive restaurant in Ghana, Krampono, ne boy is saying the cost is saying because that restaurant never got a restaurant no. You got top 10 and a top 20 expensive restaurants in Ghana and can't be. So Busa say number one, no, ni boy is saying. You people let this guy sit somewhere and lie to you when you believe him. Because all of you are so gullible to the extent that you don't want to make research. By this time around, we are here to educate you people. Mama dreaming here and what Jimmy too much.
I was here for me a video here that's him running and see hotel. Why?
I've been working all this summer.
Yera Baumiane, Omaka, happy Father's Day. Now, Mahama John, Mahama Pad, Mahama Doomso. Now, Oba Sheriff no Oyede. Also, Oyede or Ayɛka or organize a boxing and answer Oyede. Oba Sheriff no Mahama John, Mahama Pad, Mahama Doomso, you may be Oye. A told Mahama near this, but you may be as our Bacolano, Oye. Oh yes, can yes our program na or and rose a Friday. Your Mahama. Just I would have win mushy. I couldn't do a better one, you know. Yes, so you does to move 247. One, you know, you do your life. It's any da. Ever from Samley, 12 a boy and so I won't you know. And what says Kanama or Bano, and what they two party or the organized program. I couldn't talk on Knaio, Meboa. And this is for. Mo ideas na mo ka che Mahama John no o ba ye workers kwa unye skanchi o mo ka unchi o mo ka unye hye o mo bra bia skana wa betu na na kufu ado ne ba mi adi ja wo no wa se sa ma ba ne de e de kunto kwa won kan ho ye ne hwe ka kire and this for mo de se wo nwene mu o mo do adwene wan se 4 years ne bes no beto wi ni sikan ene jo to de amamo mo de no na fata mo so oba ne workers ni kro ntwi o mo ka no as wanya sika e de topa e de amane ba e de kunto kwa won kan ye da as Mahama Pad Mahama dum so e to Mahama ye da as why
mo resume
Ye Malam Yohani. Won kan okura ba ko say.
Why?
Yohani.
Yohani.
The opportunity to lead this country. The hardship is too much to bear. I think it's similar to the first question I took. We'll take some immediate action that gives hope to the people. You know, abolish the communication service tax. You know.
A few moments later.
Us. The NDC never promised to remove the communication service tax. The NDC spoke against it in Parliament. We said that we are not for it. We did not promise that we are going to take it down. And I demand evidence that proved that a senior NDC person or a manifesto in NDC had said that we are going to remove
Nelson wants to know how I'm going to restore hope to Ghanaians when given the opportunity to lead this country. The hardship is too much to bear. I think it's similar to the first question I took. We'll take some immediate action that gives hope to the people. You know, abolish the communication service tax. You know.
A few moments later.
Us. The NDC never promised to remove the communication service tax. The NDC spoke against it in Parliament. We said that we are not for it. We did not promise that we are going to take it down. And I demand evidence that proved that a senior NDC person or a manifesto in NDC had said that we are going to remove
Govi. Senior Ebiana Jomama and senior NDC person. John Kai, and I to Swanka. Now, what the young fan said, John Puanka. Atun Wakasa, Tiedwa Kai. We said we are not for it. And if you are not for it, by inference, it means you will take it away. Because you don't believe in communication service tax. So, assuming without admitting that not even senior person of the NDC made any assertion or alluded to the fact that they will take away the communication service tax. Your comment that you are making. It presupposes that you are not for it. So if you are not for it, what will you do with it? ade enkontro mpo aban scam no aban me de me bie manfo na ni o aso ubia na ye katum ubia na ye katum manfo no na unim de ntia akoyesa sa kufuado ne baaye obeya niema bi ni ade na wo ma akwa ma niema bi koso enti manfo na normalize lowering the bar enti de wo lower bar ne pawo ena yakufuado baba wonya sika ekoye nsuo mu nam restaurant ya manfo ne nti bi da enra chi ya adwo ma ba wonya adwuma da wotimi nya sika organize a boxing match ma Anthony Joshua mu nyina ba manfo ne boje so hwa wonya sika no wai but the ntia we ne nya question of interest and say yes o Akufuado be ye bi ntimunya won so nya bi na me ne ho akoka ntimunya wo mo manfo ne betia ne na amowi kromfo ya wia wo mo awia a pente wo Roman father manfo ne betia no carpet wo mo da so nya ne awia say goodwill now hey Akufuado why are there organizing football boxing match Anthony Joshua Maba reviving our boxing and kanya hwe now so the time no so mo yeso ayi ni ade ni ba ya fanto o mbetuma na pa ya fanto for the people hey Sharaf you go womanka manfo no so man dey me na mboka mo fa bi kuranka ko me say ho awan service start mo fa bi nka communication service Obi tisani ya no nyasa na me hunu se nkomo ne bebre nso koso mawie mu ade na medika ka kyerem se dane yi hwehwe ayi
wey aya question Afrifa any other Ghanaians ebisa Mahama any ne ba Sharaf Mama sika na ne ba no ede program onya efri e fine because ekuf yetigana heye ana Akufuado ba e bia restaurant yesi ye TV da odo man Ghana sika ana ama ne ba e bia restaurant Ghana fo busa se Sharaf Mahama sika odi ye program we odo organize program we onya sika no e wa hene fa won chere say Ibrahim Mahama ko say Mahama you didn't say ne father Ibrahim Mahama one of the richest man in Ghana it be chere say ono ane papa e na e finance program won just say that be I didn't try for the finance opposition wanye na oba ban mu a ana oba ban we question amount for the be ebisa also bet match the wage amame e wo comment section I Penyah.